Hey guys, so today I'm here with a demo of Internet Explorer 10 running in Windows 8. Now there are two different modes. The first is the standard mode for your normal desktop. Now in this mode it looks practically the exact same as Internet Explorer 9 does. You have your tabs over here on the right, you have your address bar and all that kind of stuff. However, if we go ahead and switch over to the Metro UI, go ahead and open it, it will be a very different experience. So as you guys can see here, one of the big things is that there's really nothing on the screen. All you see is your browser. Now while this is not quite ideal for something, if you have a large display and a desktop and everything, for a tablet I can really see that having the most amount of real estate is the best. So what they call it is the Chromeless Experience, where there's no Chrome around your browser. Certainly that has nothing to do whatsoever with any other browsers. But as you guys can see here, and this is my channel. You will notice that the Flash is not enabled. Flash is not working quite yet on Internet Explorer 10 just yet. So it's not enabled by default. But of course, by the time Windows 8 comes around, everything should be working no problem. So as you can see here, you can scroll really easily. You can also use your arrow keys. But if you want to go ahead and pull up anything else, you right-click, and it will pull up two things. So on the bottom here is your URL bar. Now, you can go ahead and back up. Actually, pull that up. So you hit back. You can go adjust the URL, which you actually don't really want to do that. You can also, if I right-click it again, you can refresh it. We can also pin it. So if we want, we can actually go ahead and pin it to Start menu. So we'll take a look at that in just 1 second. You also can pull this up, use desktop mode, or find on page. Lastly, up here we can go ahead and switch between our tabs. So works pretty well. Again, it is more focused on tablets and whatnot, but you have the normal desktop interface for that. So we can add anything new. But let's go ahead and jump out of here. And if we scroll down toward the end, we now see that we have that new tab. So just like in Windows Phone 7, we can go ahead and move this around. So if I want a direct link to my channel, for example, we can go ahead and load that up, no problem. Now as it loads, I don't know if you guys noticed, but here on the bottom there's a little kind of interface, or not an interface, but a little bit of a loading bar. Kind of looks nice. But anyway, guys, that's going to be about it. For the most part, Internet Explorer 10 is not done yet. They will be doing new things and enhancing it and whatnot in the next coming months. But anyway, guys, that's going to be about it for my hands-on of Internet Explorer 10 and Windows 8. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely be sure to leave it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more videos, be sure to subscribe.